Hey everybody, a crucial update here for the Shiba token and the Shiba price. As we do see, we saw a move to the downside. Let's measure that move from the time of my last video, because remember, I always keep you guys updated on the newest price action here for any altcoins, including the Shiba token. And as the time of my recording, it was trading around here, around the 15 to 16 cent range. And right now it's trading at that same level at the 0.0000015 cent range. But we did see a drop here, right around a 34% drop to the downside, but we have since started to recover towards the upside. Here we did see a strong oversold signal here on the RSI. We did see a move to the downside, but we have since moved back up, and now we're trading within this bigger range here of not oversold nor overbought. But let's move it up a little bit here. But we did see that huge wick to the downside. Remember, every time we have moves below this RSI level here at the 30, we do see that is oversold. So those are perfect opportunities to buy. Like right here, we've touched this support box. Same thing here, oversold on the RSI. Over here, oversold on the RSI, but we did not see a touch on the box. Today, right here, we did see a nice support come in from that support box, which I told you about in my recent video. I said this is going to be a good area here, not financial advice, but to always load up the boat here and buy when you see support. So you always want to buy in areas where you see support, like this support box where we found a lot of touches to the upsides, a bunch of wicks right here. And you always want to sell when there's resistance coming in. So resistance boxes could be up here, any box above the price action. So if we move over this box here, in this area would be resistance. And so we do see a nice move from there. Let's zoom in a little bit more. So these are the hourly candles. So we saw our first hour opening here at 0.0000015 cents, and we saw a huge wick to the downside, perfectly hitting that golden pocket retracement of the 0.65 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level here. We did see an increase in selling volume as well right here. So we are starting to see some green candles come in. So we need more green candles to confirm that we are moving back up to the upside. But we do see a wick towards the top here. We need to see if this area holds. This is a very crucial area of around 0.00010 cents all the way up to the 12 area. So this has to hold here in order for the price action to stay above in this range and trade between this, the 12, to the 19 range here, which has been trading for the last 2 days here since May 14th, since we've gone and dropped down here, since Vitalik's token donation. We've been trading in this range, and now we're starting to find some more support here in this area. But remember, the more times we find support and the more times we touch on this area, the more times it might be able to break down to these lower regions right here. So that is also something we have to look out for. But this is just a quick update for those of you that right now are very scared and seeing the price action drop. We're seeing the same thing happen across the board with all these other altcoins, and the main reason is because of Bitcoin's price. We do see here we've been continually dropping after we broke out of this ascending triangle support, or ascending triangle. We've been slowly trading in lower and lower ranges here, finding more support. Our next support would be 42,000 for Bitcoin's price, but we have a nice bounce here at the 43,000 mark at the very bottom of this triangle here. So we are seeing very oversold indicators as well. That's why the whole marketplace right now is finding that dump happen here, because Bitcoin is the leading indicator. It's always going to be the main asset that's leading the crypto market. So we're going to see a lot of altcoins start to dump as well, but we're seeing quick recoveries here, just like the Shiba price. It went back up to its 0.0000015 cent range like it was in the beginning of the day. Bitcoin is also starting to jump back up here from 44,000 now to 46,000. It is because of the Elon Musk news. Okay, so this is the tweet I was talking about here. Mr. Whale at Crypto Whale said Bitcoiners are going to slap themselves next quarter when they find out Tesla dumped the rest of their Bitcoin holdings. With the amount of hate Elon Musk is getting, I would not blame him. And he responded, indeed. So this is kind of cryptic because we don't know if he's talking about indeed as in he's agreeing with people hating him and blaming him, or if he's agreeing with Crypto Whale saying that he did dump the rest of his Bitcoin holdings. But as you know, he also did say that he is still holding his Bitcoin. If we look back at his previous post right here, It says Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. We are also looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy in transaction. That's why he's also been trying to work with the Dogecoin development team. But this is the tweet that has sent the price of Bitcoin plummeting. And then also this next tweet that I just showed you about him supposedly dumping the rest of his Bitcoin here for the Q3 earnings for Tesla. And he says he agreed. So it's still up in the air what he exactly means by that. But a lot of people are freaking out. There's a lot of fear in the market. So don't worry. Remember, you're supposed to buy the fear, sell the greed. That's what you're supposed to be doing. You're not supposed to be selling the fear and buying the greed, because you're going to be buying at the top and you're going to be selling at the bottom. You want to do the opposite. You want to be selling at the top. When everybody is trying to get in on the gains, you want to sell. And then when you see that the market is dumping, that's the perfect opportunity to buy and to maximize your gains. Not financial advice, but that is what's going on in the markets. And even with this huge FUD, this huge fear, uncertainty, and doubt of the markets, we see Elon Musk continually bad mouthing Bitcoin. We still see Bitcoin maintaining those $40,000 to $50,000 range here. We're just gonna see a quick dump, and we're already seeing that recovery of all these altcoins and Bitcoin that had huge dumps. Now they're recovering back to where they were at before in the morning. So nothing to be too scared about here. I showed the price action already, so that is what I was updating on. Remember, hit that like, hit the subscribe button so this video reaches more people. So these are just the markets that are overreacting. There's a lot of fear in the market right now, so there's going to be a lot of selling as well. I just want to clarify a lot of things here, because we do see that drop in price of the Shiba token, but we are seeing a recovery as well. If we go back up here, look, it's back to 16 now, so it's making a nice move to the upside. We might find some resistance here in the next coming hours, but we do want to keep trading within this area right here. As long as we're trading in here, we can make our next leg up to our eventual price target here of the 0.000029 area. So like many times here before, this was a great area here to buy, but it has to hold. This support has to hold here so we can keep trading up into the higher ranges for the Shiba token. But there's just a lot of fear and panic right now. But still, if you zoom out on the actual price, we didn't see that much of selling volume here as well. We're still small amounts of selling volume compared to when Vitalik here donated those Shiba tokens. But just a quick update for everybody that's freaking out here. Don't freak out. The whole market is doing the same thing here, but just a quick update. If you appreciate this content and you are part of the Shiba army, remember, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. That's it for me. Peace out.